Welcome to day 14 of the admin calendar. Today we're going to be opening this one here. And the flavor today is just regular cheddar. It's pretty good, but I honestly prefer, if I was going to rate on the list, I think the Mexicano one is the worst one because it's too spicy for me. And then cheddar is the second one because the other ones are just so much more flavorful and has so much more quality and richness in its flavor. So we've been adding a few tests in here, and I don't want to lose out on test-driven development really. We're not really following the test-driven development practices, but we are still going to be adding a few basic tests in here. So if we look inside our database folder, we only have user factory. Let's change that. We're gonna make a factory in here, and we're gonna have a factory called quiz factory. Then we're gonna have a factory called answer factory, and we're gonna have one called question factory. We're gonna have one called quiz attempt factory. And we're gonna have one called quiz attempt answer factory. So for the quiz factory, which is the one we care about a lot right now, we need all of these to be generated inside our quiz factory. We can remove this and add in a qualified import instead. In here, we can then go ahead now and add these in. So we can say this figure, and we can just say title. It doesn't really matter what the text is, really, it just needs to work. This fake text, and this figure image URL, this figure hex color. For this one we can just add in a user. Just set it's user 1 because we always have actually just user factory. Actually, sorry, we're gonna go user factory, and we're just gonna create one. We're also gonna go ahead and set this to boolean, to number between 0 and 60, and to boolean. And for the user factory, we don't have a username in here, so we're gonna go ahead in here and have a username. Fake unique. There we go. Then we can go ahead and look at the other ones in the next few videos, but key thing is now we have this factory created, so we can go ahead and add tests in the next few videos.